How to convert images to videos fast in Hailuo AI. And stick around until the end, I will show you a simple trick inside Hailuo AI that can instantly make your videos look more cinematic and professional. Step 1. Go to hailuoai.com and log into your account. If you're new, just create one. It's free to get started. Step 2. On the dashboard, click on Image to Video or Create with Image. Step 3. Upload your image. It can be a photo, artwork, or even AI generated. Step 4. Once uploaded, choose the style of video you want: cinematic, documentary, anime, etc. Step 4. Add a prompt describing what should happen in the video. Keep it short but clear. For example, this. Step 6. Hit generate and wait a few seconds. Hailuo AI will generate your video automatically. Bonus tip. Now here's that simple trick to instantly level up your videos. Use the camera motion option and select slow pan or cinematic zoom. These motion effects add a natural movie-like feel, making your video more dynamic without doing any editing yourself. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more AI video tutorials. See you soon!